Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's latest foldable phones, Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. These new devices might look similar to their predecessors, but there's a lot more than meets the eye. Samsung has made some impressive improvements and embraced a more sustainable approach with these new models. Let's break it all down. First off, let's talk about design and durability. At first glance, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 might seem like they're just a repeat of last year's models. But Samsung's strategy has evolved. They realize that dramatic design changes every year don't necessarily add value. So instead of going overboard with aesthetic transformations, Samsung focused on refining the design, making it more durable, and importantly, more sustainable. These new phones come with tougher armor aluminum frames, better hinges, and significantly less visible foldable screen creases. This means not only do they look sleek, but they're also built to withstand more wear and tear. Plus, Samsung has committed to a policy of 7 years of OS upgrades, ensuring your device stays up to date for longer. The improved IP48 rating also adds to the durability, making these phones more resistant to dust and water. Now let's dive into the sustainability aspect. Samsung has been making strides towards eco-friendliness, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are a testament to these efforts. In 2023, Samsung took significant steps to enhance its sustainability initiatives, aiming to achieve zero Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2030. One of the most notable advancements is the introduction of recycled rare earth elements in their manufacturing process. The Galaxy S24 series was the first to use these recycled materials, and now Samsung has extended this effort to the latest foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are the first foldable phones to incorporate recycled rare earth elements like cobalt in their components. This is a significant step forward in reducing electronic waste and promoting the reuse of valuable materials. But Samsung didn't stop there. These new foldable phones also utilize more recycled aluminum, glass, and plastics in their construction. This means that not only are the internal components more sustainable, but the overall build of the phone is too. And to top it all off, both phones come in packaging made entirely from recycled paper. This is a fantastic move towards reducing environmental impact right from the manufacturing process to the moment you unbox your new device. If you're looking for a new foldable phone that's built to last and more eco-friendly, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 should be at the top of your list. Samsung's pre-order program is now live, so you can get your hands on one of these innovative devices. Plus, there are often some great deals and potential freebies if you pre-order, so be sure to check those out. So why should you consider upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or Z Flip 6? Here are a few key reasons. Durability. With tougher armor aluminum frames, improved hinges, and less visible screen creases, these phones are designed to withstand daily use and more. Longevity. Samsung's commitment to 7 years of OS upgrades means your phone will stay current for longer, providing better value for your money. Sustainability. By using recycled rare earth elements, aluminum, glass, and plastics, these phones contribute to reducing electronic waste and promoting sustainability. Water and dust resistance. The improved IP48 rating means your phone is better protected against dust and water, adding to its durability. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are impressive additions to the foldable phone market. They combine sleek design, enhanced durability, and significant sustainability efforts. If you're in the market for a new phone that's built to last and better for the environment, these are definitely worth considering. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yunnan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.